Ever wondered how Spotify became the ultimate go-to for your music cravings? Let's dive into the magic of data science that powers your playlists. With a whopping 70 million songs in its database, Spotify has the power of machine learning, particularly collaborative filtering, to tailor your music experience. This means it's not just about what you like, but also what others with similar tastes enjoy. And it doesn't stop there. Spotify's data scientists tap into natural language processing to learn the sentiment around songs. From positive vibes to a bit of edge, they analyze it all. Observe that your all-time favorites become hits? That's NLP in action. Furthermore, Spotify learns the mood of every music discussed online thanks to its cultural vector. And here's the kicker. Similar songs are grouped to create playlists that perfectly match your taste buds. It's like having a personal DJ that just gets you. So next time you hit play on your favorite playlist, remember, it's not just about the beats, it's about the science behind them. To learn more such interesting facts about data science, subscribe to Newton School.